my water temp?
87. So we don't break the layers. 83.7. What time did we drop the red?
Red got dropped at 1:30.
Okay, our color's starting to come in.
89 on stator now.
How long did it take for the red to come in?
9 minutes.
At an inch a second, 8 minutes through the hose.
Probably. So we'll be at 12.75 when we switch back to gray.
Viscosity of this pigment is way thicker than water. When you add liquid pigment, we wouldn't have reduced it by 10 because the viscosity is a lot thicker.
Solubility of iron oxide is about 50%.
Go up.
Okay, let's pop our hose and get it cleaned out.
All right, take me over this way, Cody.
Okay.